Got the free spin. Let's see. Come on, Bully. Give me bonus and the bonus. Yes, perfect. Nice one. Come on. Yes, yes. I love this bonus and the bonuses. Where are those doubles? I think I still have, yeah, still have one more spin on the free spin. One more? Three backup spins. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment for me. Thank you so much.